Do you want to become a pro user of ChatGPT? Do you want to 10x your productivity and using the ChatGPT? If yes, then here is the amazing thing which is called ChatGPT Projects. But before moving forward, I just want you to stay till the end of this video because I have something amazing for you. At the end of this video, I have created a prompt enhancer that I'm going to give you so that you can enhance whatever prompt you are using to get most out of from your ChatGPT conversation. This is going to be useful for the instruction section of the project we will going to talk about so that your instructions will be really powerful to get really great experience of this ChatGPT project. So you need to watch till the end of this video so that you understand what this instruction is, how to enhance it, and how to use the enhancer like prompt enhancer for your ChatGPT projects. In this video, we are going to look how you can use and leverage the power of ChatGPT projects to enhance and 10x your productivity in whatever field you are. Whether you are a programmer, you can use your existing code to tell ChatGPT, we are talking about this code. Don't just give me bullshit things. If you are a finance person, then you can give the charts to get you the very bird eye view of what's happening on a chart. If you are a sales and marketing person, you can actually create a strategy that can convert your prospect into a customer. Everything can be done with this project system in ChatGPT. So let's get started and we will going to talk about how to create the project, what are the things you need to make sure to include in the project instruction, how to use the files, and how to actually enhance your prompt. In this video, I'm going to give you very detailed instructions of how you can become a power user of ChatGPT project. So without wasting time, let's get started. And before moving forward, if you have not yet subscribed to Bitfume's YouTube channel, just go and hit subscribe button. And if this video becomes helpful for you and it's really boosting your productivity, just hit thumbs up and comment what you think about this ChatGPT project. So welcome to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak, founder of Bitfumes, a passionate content creator, developer and DevOps expert who love to embrace the AI. If you have any question regarding your career, your project, you can schedule a one-to-one call directly from my own website, which is called sarthaksavvy.com. So let's get started. First of all, instead of going directly to the ChatGPT, I just want you to Google it. Yeah, Google is dying, people are saying, but let's do this. So if I go on the Google and just say ChatGPT projects, then first link I get is for the link of documentation for the ChatGPT project. You can take a look on this. Getting most out of this ChatGPT project become really easy. But instead of doing this, if you don't want to read all these things, here I am just for you. So I'm going to close this and get into the ChatGPT directly. So once you are on the ChatGPT, you can directly go on this sidebar. You can see here, and then you can see this little project section where there is a plus icon, and I have some of my projects already there. So I'm going to explain all these projects to you very soon, but let's first see how we can actually create a project. So just like this, on these projects, we have a plus icon which says new project. And if I click here, I get a little pop-up where I can name my project. Just for fun, I'm going to say YouTube chapter creator. Now, this is going to be a separate project. That means kind of like a folder where I can just have the similar kind of chats for this project. And not only that, we can provide a custom instruction here. We can also add some files, and this instruction and files are going to affect the chat inside of this folder. So consider like a container which is isolated from other container. Similar to that, every project is isolated from other project. Whatever happening inside one project will stay inside that project. It's not at all affecting other project. Now, why we want to use project? This is the question which first of all you should have in your mind even before creating a project. So let me first show you the problem and then we will see how we can solve that problem with this project. Now first of all, I will go to one of my video and get the transcript for this. I'll say show transcript, and this time I want to get the timestamp also with the timescript, and timescript, it's a transcript not the time script. Okay, so yeah, we get that, and now I'm going to close this and get into the ChatGPT once again, but instead of using the project, I'm going to create a regular chat, and you can choose whatever model you want. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to paste the entire transcript here, and then I will say create a YouTube video chapters with timestamp for the given transcript. Give me exactly important timestamp chapters, and let's see what it does. So here we are feeding entire transcript and asking to create a simple chapters. Let's see what it get. Great, it get the transcript. Now, so what is the problem? See, this is okay for one video. Now, when you want to get the transcript for the next video, what you're going to do, you go here, scroll up a very high level and then edit it, and then again go to the bottom, replace the entire transcript with the new transcript and then hit enter. That's a tedious task. Also, since you are actually changing every time on the same chat, the ChatGPT get confused with the previous version of your chat. Another big problem is if you have enabled the memory system in ChatGPT, then your answers will be affected by the memory and it will be not as accurate as on the first trial. So what you are going to do, you create a new chat. Okay, I created a new chat and I can do that thing for myself, writing prompt again and again. We can solve all these problems with the project system, and I'm going to show you how. But another really catchy thing, and which I am really focused on, is using different models for different activities. See, we have different models for different kind of things we want to do. ChatGPT 4.0 is really nice if you want to write something and if you want some creativity. But if you want just some suggestion and modification, 4.0 mini is really amazing for you. But if you have some research and analysis and doing lots of crazy deep level thing, then I want to use the O1 model. So here is the problem. So here is the problem with a normal chat. So suppose I used, let's say 4.0 mini, and I say hi. So that's good. This chat is using 4.0 mini model. If I start another chat, it is still using the 4.0 mini model because it was previously selected. Now if I go to the previous chat which was using 4.0 and create another new chat, it again switched to 4.0 instead of 4.0 mini. That is frustrating, and this actually happened to me. I was doing some research kind of thing and I want to use the O1, the newer model, and when I switched to previous chat and getting back to the new chat, it used 4.0. So that was the problem which we can solve with project. Let's see how we can solve all these problems with the project system. So remember, we have created a YouTube chapter creator project by just clicking on this new plus icon, name your project, and your project will be here like this. Now here on this, you can first go at the top and customize your project by giving a specific color. So for me, blue color is always my favorite and I have added a blue color. And on the left, you can see sidebar is using blue color icon for this particular project. That's really a fun stuff. But then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the same thing here. I'm going to paste the transcript and I will say, hey, create me the thing, but before that I will just go back to this. I just want to copy and paste thing, but I think this is taking time. I don't know why. Sometime it happened. Okay, so here I am, and I'm going to copy the same prompt which I had, and I'm going to the system back, and first give me the transcript, and then give me this prompt, and yep, let's see how this is going to perform. But before moving forward, you can see at the top I'm selecting a 4.0 mini model, and this is the power of project. Since I have used the 4.0 mini, all the chat inside this project will going to use the same model every time I start a new chat inside of this project. Let's see what's going to happen. So here I have given, and it has created a chapter very easily, very nice. That's really amazing. But you will say, Sarthak, how is different from using a normal chat? Let's see. So instead of giving the prompt here inside this, what I'm going to do, I will go at the top, or maybe just click on this project title, and on this instruction I'm going to paste the same prompt here. Save this file. This is the instruction, what I want from this project. So I just save this instruction, and I'm not giving anything. I'm just providing the transcript, and if I hit enter, let's see what's going to happen. So here, and you can see we have the chapters. We have not at all defined what we want from this transcript, but since we have provided the instructions on the project instruction, it has given the exact thing what I want. This means for every project, I just need to get the transcript and feed it here. It will give me the chapters very, very easily without writing any kind of prompt and telling ChatGPT what to do, because we have already told the ChatGPT to do that. Here is the amazing thing. I'm going to give you really, really magical way to enhance this prompt by using my own project, which is called Prompt Enhancer, and I'm going to give you this amazing feature of how you can enhance your prompt. But stay tuned till the end so that I can give you the exactly how to enhance this prompting thing. Next, let's talk about this files. Now, to understand the files, I'm going to create another new project because this is going to be really fun. So let's say I have one client and I'm making a mobile application for that client. So let's say XYZ client mobile app. Now, very easy. I have created this, and all the chat, all the conversation, all the things related to this XYZ client will be inside this. But we want to provide some information about the mobile application I want to give, so that I don't have to provide all the details every time I create a new chat. For that, what I'm going to do, see, I have created a requirements file for this project, which is very nice, 2-page. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this. You can copy it as a PDF, a text file, or you can just use the Microsoft Word file. I'm going to try the PDF. So it's going to download this PDF for me, and it's now downloaded. And I'm going to attach this file, the ChatGPT project demo file. And once this is attached, then I can have a conversation about this project, since ChatGPT know what I'm going to talk about. So let's see. I am done with this, and now I'm going to start a new conversation. What this project is all about. Let's see the answer, and we should get, it's now searching the answer from the file we have uploaded. And here is the thing. This project is about the mobile application outline, ChatGPT project demo, and XYZ things it has given. Next, let's say I want to talk more about the technical stuff of this project. So let's say what I want, so create a database schema for this application. I'm not telling anything. I have just uploaded one file, and now this is going to give me the database schema for this. And here we are. we have the user table, we have the products table, and we are getting everything just by providing a very short prompt, and it is giving all the answers since it has the knowledge base which we have uploaded. Now, since this is always giving random ways, I want always anything which need a code which is copy paste thing. I just want to have that in a copy paste format. So what I'm going to stop here. I'm going to close this pop-up. On this project instruction, I'll go to the project instruction. I will say always respond in a canvas if the response include any code or anything technical. Let's see, this is going to be crazy. We are forcing to use the ChatGPT canvas every time something technical is happening. Again, a simple database. Again, a simple prompt to create a database for this application, and let's say it should create the thing in the schema. So it should create everything in the canvas, and here we are. You can see it is opened the canvas, and previously when I gave exactly same prompt, it was just giving inside the chat, and now here we are inside the canvas. We can obviously edit it once it is done, we can update it, we can also copy and paste it on our code base or wherever we want. That's the power of project instructions. And once finished, you can have this copy button, you can copy it, you can simply change anything you want like this. You have something else like code review, port to different language, fix bugs, add logs, add comment. These are the canvas related features but not the project. So that's how you actually provide the instructions to your project to give the output as you want. Your desired output can be fixed, can be structured using this instructions section of this project. Now, not only just you can upload the PDF file, you can also upload a simple image. You can see I have this database connections, and I'm going to copy and basically took the screenshot. Go just drag and drop this screenshot. I have not at all given the title, it's just a random title. Screenshot 24/12/24/9/19/17 AM and once it is finished, then I can just start the conversation. Give me the table which is connected to most other tables. Now here it's going to analyze the image this time and can return something for you. Provide document does not include a database schema or table instruction. Something got failed and we need to see how it is not working. Okay, so it can't read the image which which we have provided. Let's ask it to read the image. Can you read the image and give me the answer? Let's see. And it should read the image and okay, so it has actually given a Python file, a Python script to read this image, and I'm not sure how it's going to work, but let's see what it is completing since it is still doing some analysis kind of thing. Oh great, oh great, now this is nice. The extract text from the image is somewhat distorted, but it mentioned the table user ID, project ID, category ID and others. From the textual fragments, it seems order ID might be connected to multiple tables. Okay, so it has given the result, great. And once again 5% only, but let's go here and order ID. So we have the order ID is connected to category, and yes, this seems like a good one. Order ID is also here in the order item, and that's we got the right answer. Wow, that's great. Okay, so we have a little problem. How we can fix this problem? On the instructions, we say that if required, please try to read the image, or maybe instead of read, analyze the image and provide the response. This time we don't have to explicitly say that read the image, read the image, read the image. No, it will obviously going to get everything for you by default. So I'm going to remove this chat and see if it is really working or not. So give me the table which is connected to most table. Okay, so it is still not working. Maybe we should enforce it, and we can do that in a different way, but you get the point how you can do that. Okay, finally the real problem, and the thing, I'm not saying the problem, but the real amazing thing is enhancing the instructions. How you can enhance this instruction. So I'm going to copy this, which is very simple one. I'm going to the prompt enhancer and just paste it and hit enter. This is a prompt enhancer. It's not at all returning the response. It enhances whatever prompt I provide. See, here I have this. I'm going to copy this and then paste it on the instruction I have like this. And then if I now provide the transcript here, maybe I can find the transcript like this, hit enter, and this time something crazy is going to happen. This time you can see it has given the exact format of what I want for my YouTube channel chapters. It is giving more details as we have provided in the instructions. You can enhance these instructions by creating your own prompt enhancer or instruction enhancer. You can create a new chat and just ask to enhance your instruction. And just for you, how you can create your own enhancer, create a new project. On that project, write all these instructions. You can just see, take the screenshot, give it to the ChatGPT and get the actual text of what I am giving here. I can just copy here and paste here so that you can actually get it. And now I'm not giving this in the text box because I want you to leverage and use the AI to get most out of the things. So pause this video, get the screenshot of this whatever I have given, this prompt enhancer, and feed that screenshot to ChatGPT and ask to get all of the text from that image and then use it on your instruction. It will be easy if I can give you, but I just want you to do something crazy with the AI. Okay, so that was about the project. Let me know how you think about these projects and how you like this video, because I have done a lot of research on how to maximize the use of project. I have done a lot of research on leveraging and getting most out of this project. So just if you want to clap for me, and if you just think that I have done a right thing, and if you think I can be your amazing tutorial creator, then just hit the like button, comment your views about this video, the project thing we are having here, and if you have not yet subscribed, go and subscribe to Bitfin's YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, just say goodbye.